Hi and welcome to our channel. I'm Jackie and this is the Montana style, and today we're gonna do a ground beef vegetable soup, a really great dinner on a cool night. Tonight we're gonna start out with our ground beef and onions all browned up. Go ahead and put that in your big soup pot. We're gonna do celery and just drop it in. This is a really good soup. We're getting ready for fall here in Montana. We're ready for the cool weather. We're gonna go ahead and add some carrots. This is a good hearty soup. You can put however much you like. We go ahead and prep this even before I come. I like to chop all my veggies and stuff at home before we go camping. You can do it at your campground if you like, but having these all pre-chopped, put them in baggie and put them in your cooler, ready to go. Besides the potatoes, you want to probably do those the day of because they get a little brown and funky if you do it too soon. Are you guys ready for fall? We sure are. We had over 100 days of 100 degrees this summer, so we're definitely ready for fall. This is a spicy soup, but you can make it mild, however your family likes it. We do like to use a spicy V8, but if you don't have it and you just have tomato, you can go ahead and use your Tabasco or whatever you like to make yours as spicy as you like. If each person in your family likes it a little different, go ahead and have them add a little extra. If they're really spicy people, maybe you throw in some jalapenos or other kind of peppers that you have in your garden. We're just gonna leave ours with the spicy V8. We just find it at the store. You can buy it in the big jug and drink it with your breakfast after you're finished, or you can buy it in the cans and just have for what you need for the night's dinner. We're gonna go ahead and we made some beef stock here, but you can get stock in a box or whatever you like. This is a real hearty soup, so we're gonna go ahead and get that good beef flavor. I like to buy bay leaves, and you can buy them in the bulk department or in the bag. And you wanna go ahead and put that in your soup. It just gives it a good flavor. And this one's really simple. You should have most of the stuff in your camping box when you go. So it's just basically your spicy V8, salt and pepper, and a few bay leaves, and you'll be ready for dinner in no time. We'll go ahead and throw a few bay leaves in. If this is something you would like and your family would like, go ahead and hit the like button. It'll be super delicious when we're finished. And if you're new to our channel, feel free to check out a few of our other videos. We did a chili and some other great food recipes for your family. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. Now that we got everything in this giant pot, we're gonna stir it up a bit. And we're gonna be cooking this on our Camp Chef. Just like we do camping, we cook it at home as well. Today we're just showing you what we love to do in the fall weather. Soups and stews are definitely a family favorite. You can have it with some rolls in a salad, or just rolls, or just soup. Another good one is, our family loves grilled cheese, so a grilled cheese would be an excellent side to this soup. Just depends on how hungry you are. And welcome back. Now that our soup is all finished, we're gonna go ahead and pick out the bay leaves. We don't want to eat those, so we'll go ahead and set those aside. Go ahead and play it by ear. We had to add a little bit more stock to this because it evaporated as it cooked. Go ahead and add what you like, however much soup you like. We like it pretty soupy. Tonight we're going to serve ours with these nice rolls, but if you don't have them, just go ahead and use a leftover hamburger bun from lunch or whatever you have. It's pretty simple. We're going to go ahead and serve it up with our soup. And each person can salt and pepper to taste, as well as we like a little extra Tabasco for how hot it is. The recipe will be down below. Go ahead and take a look. It'll be pretty hot, so just let it cool down. This Dutch oven keeps the heat real well, so if you want to make it earlier than dinner time and just let it simmer until you guys are ready and everybody's ready to eat, go ahead and do that. Go ahead and take a bite. Just how I like it. Not too spicy, but if you're a spicy person, go ahead and add your Tabasco. Throw a little butter on your roll, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by the Montana Style.